Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about a snack that I've been munching on that I recently purchased. You guys could kind of see because I have pretty much eaten this entire bag to myself. They are Trader Joe's Nuts Raw Whole Cashews. I shop at Trader Joe's really often. It's one of my most favorite stores. It's kind of like a health food store, but they have all types of great snack foods and stuff like that. And they're smaller than your average grocery store. But what's great is if you don't have one by you, you could still purchase their products online, and they're all really great. I really can't tell you a product I purchased from Trader Joe's that I wasn't happy with. They even make their own salads and stuff, and they're always super fresh. So I'm really happy with them, and that's why I often purchase products from there. I'm always in the store, and I love their brand stuff. Like, this is Trader Joe's Nuts Raw Whole Cashews. It's not like a major brand that you could purchase at like any grocery store. It's like specific, and the fact that you could purchase their stuff online is awesome, and they're always really good quality. This is a kosher 16-ounce bag. I love these just to snack on. I've been snacking on them a lot. You could put them in salads, but I don't really. You could cook with them. Like, I know a famous dish from the Chinese restaurant by me is like chicken with cashews. That's a really popular one. I love this. I love cashews or peanuts and like a pad thai. I love pad thai. One of my most favorite things. And so they're great to cook with, or if like maybe a bakery recipe calls for cashews or something like that, they would be perfect for that. I like pretty much every other kind of nut in my salad except for peanuts and cashews. It just, for some reason, doesn't really mesh well together in my opinion. The ingredients, of course, are just cashews. They don't add anything to it. Contains cashews, obviously, distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in Monrovia, California, and they are a product of Thailand. So Thailand cashews, completely unsalted. I usually purchase the salted, but unsalted is just as nice. Like, it has a great amount of flavor and they're delicious. So a serving size is 1/4 cup. Servings per container about 15. And there's 180 calories per serving and 120 calories from fat. Total fat 13 grams, 20% daily value. Saturated fat 2.5 grams, 13% daily value. 0 grams of trans fat. Polyunsaturated fat 2 grams. Monounsaturated fat 7 grams. Cholesterol 0 milligrams. Sodium 15 milligrams. Total carbs 9 grams. Dietary fiber 1 gram, sugars 2 grams, and protein 7 grams. Another thing I love about nuts, especially cashews, is a vegetarian, so I'm not getting protein from any meat because I don't eat any kind of meat or fish. So nuts are actually a really good source of plant-based protein among many other things. So a lot of vegans will have cashews because I'm vegetarian, so I still eat dairy, but I do have a lot of vegan food that doesn't have any kind of dairy in it as well. And I know that vegans get a lot of their protein from nuts and beans. So 7 grams I'm definitely happy with, especially in not even a meal and just a snack, because I'm just using these really to snack on. Vitamin A 0%, vitamin C 0%, calcium 2%, iron 8%. So I'm just gonna take some out, show you guys. So this is the size. They're obviously really small. What I love about cashews, besides the flavor and everything that you can like make with them, I love that you could get like a nice crunch from them. I like having a snack that has a little bit of a crunch to it. I think it just makes it that much more satisfying. So I took a bite. That's what the inside looks like. I like that these are natural, nothing added to it, and not salted. Because, you know, like the added salt, sometimes some people don't need a lot of salt in their diet, and sometimes it could be too much. I probably am guilty of eating too much salt. And they really don't need anything. And they're just natural, and they taste like, just like what the name says, like raw whole cashews. It's exactly what they taste like. They have a raw, healthy, natural taste to them, which is nice. It's nice to have things that are natural and they're healthy for you, and they're yummy, and they're great as a snack. And, you know, maybe if you even want to pack this in your kid's lunchbox and give this to them as a snack, you could do that too. So I hope you guys try out Trader Joe's Nuts Raw Whole Cashews, and I hope you love them. Thank you so much for watching.